Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, we are going to do this video on diagnosing a P0051 code, and this is essentially the HO2S heater control circuit low bank 2 sensor 1 code. Essentially, this code is set when the car's computer or ECM detects low system voltage in the heater control circuit. Specifically, the code is referencing bank 2 sensor 1. The heater circuit in the heated oxygen sensor is for warming the sensor before the vehicle reaches operating temperatures for an accurate reading, and the code may be seen with P0052. So here's what causes it. Bank 2 sensor 1 failure, poor connection or disconnected connector, open or short in wiring, a blown heater circuit fuse, or an ECM failure. So if you guys have this code, your car will still run and drive. In most cases, there's going to be a check engine light on the dashboard, and that'll probably be the only noticeable symptom. All right, you probably get poor fuel economy, and your car might run rough, possible, but it might run normal too. So here's how you diagnose a P0051 code. The easiest way to do that is to buy or to have an OBD2 scanner. You can go to AutoZone, Advanced Auto, any auto parts store. They'll have an OBD2 scanner. Some of them will do it for free. Walmart sells it too for about 20 bucks. Plug into the OBD2 port, and you should get a readout. If you do have a P0051 code, you will get a readout that it is P0051. Basically, what you could do is you could clear the code and just drive it normally, just to see if the code comes back, or if it's just a glitch in the system. Now, if the code comes back, you want to perform, or you want to check out the wiring and take a look at the sensor itself. Or you want to change it out. You might want to change it out, but if you have a newer car, a car that's a little bit more recent with less mileage, and that code pops up, you might just want to check out the wiring just to make sure that the plug is tight, there's no breakage in the wiring, and there's no damage to the sensor. So some of the common mistakes when diagnosing the P0051 code, you might want to make sure that code is the only code that pops up. All right, a lot of times that code might pop up with a bunch of other codes, and in those instances it might be various things that could cause it, because a lot of these newer vehicles, the different electrical systems in the car are connected to each other. All right, so but if that's the only code that pops up, chances are there's a problem with that sensor or wiring to that sensor. So here's what you guys could do if you guys have that code. Like I said before, you guys could replace the sensor. You guys could but you guys could fix the issue with the wire. If there's any kind of issues with the wire, if there's a short or something like that, you guys could replace the heater circuit fuse. That fuse is in the fuse box, or you guys could replace the ECM. Now, if you guys are going to replace the ECM on that, just know that if the ECM is the issue itself that's causing that code, there is going to be a high chance that you're going to get like a lot of different codes besides the P0051 code. There'll be a ton of codes, because the ECM itself is connected to essentially every electrical thing inside any electrical thing associated with the car. So if you get that if you think it's an ECM, definitely make sure that you get a whole bunch of other codes instead of just that one single code. Anyway, hope this has given you guys more information as far as what that code is. Definitely leave your opinion in the comments section if you guys have experiences with this. It might help somebody else out. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, all that good stuff. All right guys, take care.